Yes, children. So, good morning, and today we are going to start our lesson number 6. So, everybody take out your semester book, open page number 180. Page 180. And put CW and today's date on lesson number 6 of EVS. You put today's date. Today's date is 4-8-20. Everyone is going to put today's date? Yes. And let's start our chapter. Okay? So what you are going to do is, you are going to listen carefully and give me the answers. Okay? So, here you can see one picture. Warm-up box is there in your book. This box. Yes. And there are two pictures. First picture is of a goat and second picture is of a table. Okay. First picture is of a goat and second picture is of a table. So, the question is, picture A is a living thing, picture B is a non-living thing. Can you state two difference between picture A and picture B? Can you state two differences? आप क्या difference बता सकते हैं picture A and picture B के बारे में? Yes, you can tell the difference, but you will tell the difference after we read 4 lines. After we have read 4 lines, then you will tell me the difference. Okay, first, keep your fingers below the first line where we are reading. We can see so many things around us. Some of the things are alive. They are called living things. Now, what we have seen? We can see so many things around us. So, everybody see here and there. Everywhere you see. You can see so many things. You can see your sofa, TV, your mom, your dad, some of the people going on the street. Okay, so you can see so many things around you. And some of the things are alive. Now one term comes, some of the things are what? Alive. A-L-I-V-E. Now what is this alive means? What is the word alive means? Now we will see what is the word alive means. These are called living things. Now they are saying the things that are alive are called as living things. What are they called? Living things. They are called as living things. Now, I'll show you some pictures. Now, you tell me, are they things alive or not? I'll give you one clue how you can say they are alive. These things can breathe. Okay. These things can breathe. The things which can breathe are alive. Okay. Now we'll see some pictures and you will give me the answers. Can they breathe or can they not breathe? Okay, children? Can a horse breathe? Can it breathe? सांस ले सकता है? Your answer is yes, it can breathe. Can a sheep breathe? Baba Black Sheep, can it breathe? Yes, it can also breathe. And can a zebra breathe? Yes, a zebra can breathe. So only some animals I have taken. So all these are what? Animals. What are these? These are animals. Picture of animals. Yes, children. Now, some other pictures are there in the background. Let's see what are they. The picture of a honeybee. Yes. This is the picture of a ladybug. Yes. And this Incy Wincy spider. Yes, you all know. Yes. So, what are these? What are these? First, we have seen the picture of all the animals. Now, what are these? These are the insects. What are these? These are insects. I-N-S-E-C-T-S. What are these? These are insects. Some insects I have put. Now, my question to you is, can they breathe? Can they breathe? Yes, your answer would be yes. Yes, they can breathe. So all the insects can breathe. Okay, children? Again, now you can see some other pictures on the background. Yes, I have. First picture is of a pigeon. Okay, you guessed it correct. Next picture is of a kingfisher. Okay, you know that also. And the last picture is of a parrot. Everybody might have seen a parrot. Yes. So what are these? These are all pictures of, yes, these are the pictures of birds. What are these? These are the pictures of birds. B-I-R-D-S. So now we have seen pictures of animals, insects and birds. Now let's see further. Yes, children, now I have some other pictures in my background. I have pictures of some of the plants or trees. So which is the first one? You can see. This is first one is coconut tree. Yes, you have guessed it correct. Next one is a mango tree or an apple tree, you can see. And third one is a rose plant. A rose plant. Rose also you can see in this. Yes. So my question to you is, can they breathe? Can they breathe? So some of you might think, how can they breathe? They don't have nose. Yes. So I'll tell you, yes, they can breathe. They breathe with the help of their leaves. They have leaves now. With the help of their leaves, they can breathe. What do plants do? Plants take in carbon dioxide and they give out oxygen that we breathe. Okay. So plants, what they do? They give us oxygen. From where do they give us oxygen? When they make their food. So they also breathe. Okay. What do they breathe? They breathe in air. With air they take in what? Carbon dioxide, and they give out what? Oxygen they give us. Okay. So these are all pictures of plants, you can say. Okay. What are the pictures? These are the pictures of plants or trees. Okay, we can say that. Trees or plants. So these things also breathe. Yes, children. So now some other pictures you can see in my background. Yes, these are the pictures of famous cricket player. Who is he? Sachin Tendulkar. Everybody knows him. And one more picture. Yes, he's a famous tabla player. Yes, Zakir Hussain ji. Yes. So who are they? They are people. Picture of human beings. Okay, people. Two people pictures I have put over here. Okay. So I am also a person. They are also a person. You are also a person. So we all come under the category of human beings. What are we called? Human beings. We come under the category of human beings. Human beings. So my question to you is, can you breathe? Can you breathe? Yes. Can I breathe? Yes. Can they breathe? The people who are on my background, can Sachin Tendulkar breathe? Yes. So we all are alive. What are we? We all are alive. One term I am giving to you, alive. A-L-I-V-E. How you will know a person is alive? If a person is breathing. Breathing means सांस ले रहा है अगर वो person, तो that person is alive. Alive in Hindi we say जिंदा है. Okay. So we all are alive. Yes. So children, you have seen the pictures of. I have shown you the pictures of animals. Okay. So many animals I have shown to you. I have shown you pictures of insects. You have seen pictures of birds. You have seen pictures of trees or plants. And you have seen pictures of human beings. I have shown to you. And my question was, do they breathe? And your answer was, yes, they breathe. So these all are living things. What are they? They are living things. What are they? They are living. They all are living. Okay, children. So now you know these things are alive. How you know these things are alive? They can breathe, and these things are known as living things. So let's read in your book, second line. Human beings. Human beings means all the people. Animals. We have seen pictures of animals. Birds. Yes, all the birds. Insects. Small insects. And trees are living things. We have seen all the pictures and they are all living things. Now come to the next page. Next page we'll start. Turn your pages everyone. Page number 181. Now what they are saying? Yes, on page 181 keep your fingers. Mountains, soil, table, chair, bed, decks, river, football are all non-living things. They are not alive. How do you know they are not alive? Because they cannot breathe. Okay. So the things are mountains. Any mountain. Okay. All the mountains. They cannot breathe. Or soil. The soil you can pick up and see. Okay. So the table. Any table. Okay children. Any table. Chair, the chair on which you are sitting right now, or the river, the decks on which you used to sit when you come to school, yes, your football, these are all non-living things. How did you know these are all non-living things? Because they cannot breathe. Okay, so one difference I have told you, living things can breathe and non-living things cannot breathe. So these are all what? These are all non-living things. What are these? These are non-living things. So now you know the difference between living and non-living. Okay, two terms we have studied today. What are they? First one was living thing. What are living things examples? We have seen the pictures. Pictures of animals, human beings, birds, insects and plants. Okay, so these were all living things. They are alive. And now other things are non-living things. How did we know? This pen, if I show you, this cannot breathe. Okay, so this is a non-living thing. So we have learned two things today. The first one is living thing. Second is non-living thing. Okay children. So tomorrow we'll read further and we'll understand. Okay. So today you look around yourselves and you list. List means make a list of items. What you see. Now you have understood what is living, what is non-living. So I want you to see around and make a list. Write down some living things and some non-living things maybe. Okay? Yes. So this is the work for you today. Okay? Okay. Bye. Have a good day.